This lesson is on factoring a trinomial when the leading coefficient is 1. When you get ready to factor, you want to go ahead and take whatever your c is, because this would be ax squared plus bx plus c. Whatever c is, you can put it on the top. Your b can go here in the bottom, and you want to think, what two numbers multiply together to give me 18, but when added together give me 11? For example, does 3 times 6 equal 18? Yes. But does 3 plus 6 equal 11? The answer would be no. What about 2 times 9? 2 times 9 is 18. Added together, 2 plus 9 is 11. So you're going to open two parentheses. To get the x squared, we would have x and x, because x times x would give me x squared. And then one of the numbers would be plus 9. One of the numbers would be plus 2. So if we FOILed it back out, we would get back to the original answer. But this is actually our final answer for the factored form. Looking at this one here, same thing. You want to go ahead and put your c at the top, your b at the bottom. And there's a negative 1 here if you don't see the number. So two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 56, add together to give me negative 1. Well, since the product is negative, it means that 1 is negative and 1's going to be positive. And so if I think 7 times 8 does give me 56, but I need it to be a negative 1 when added together, that means the larger number needs to be 8 with a negative. Watch. Negative 8 times 7 is negative 56. Negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. So again, to get that x squared, x goes here in the front. Then we would have minus 8. And then we would have on this side plus 7. That would be your final answer. On this final example, notice your leading coefficient isn't 1. But that should throw up a warning sign that you need to factor out a GCF, because 2 can go into each of these. So we would have x squared. Then we would have plus 3x when we divide that 2 out of there, minus 54. So we took the GCF out. We bring the GCF down. Now for when we do our x, this number here, the negative 54, is my c. The 3 is here. And so if I think probably 9 and 6 will work, one of those has to be negative so that my product is negative. But when added together, I need it to result in a positive. So 9 times negative 6 is negative 54. 9 plus negative 6 is 3. So we have our GCF we brought down. Remember, to get x squared, we're just going to do x times x. And then one of those numbers is 9. And one of those numbers is 6. And then this would be my final answer.